Hi, I'm going to show you how to make like this gun. It's pretty powerful, pretty accurate. Now, that and that's a tomboyrme's 9mm gun. Anyway, it's quite good. Right, okay. The actual firing thing is simple. It's just a grey rod with orange connector, but you don't really need those two. It can just be like that, but I like it like this better. The trigger is really simple. You just let's see. And like the handle thing just connects onto those two red bits there. Barrel, I've used yellow bits, like yellow rods, and two green rods there, because it has to be like that. And you have to get the top off an orange connector so the trigger will fit through. See? That one. And the trigger just slots in like that. Should do anyway. And you put one elastic band around there, and that one, and that one, and just put it all the way around on each one. And then you need those two. If you don't, it just pops out when you try and shoot something with it. Accuracy's alright on it. The one downside is it's a bolt action, so you have to pull it back and put one in. Just put it back together again, then I'll show you how it fires. If the grey connector does come off the connector, just push it back, just clip it back on. It will happen all the time. Alright, there you go. So that bit's really simple. Just 2 grey rods onto that. Okay, loading. The trigger should just pop up, but if it doesn't, you just give it a bit of encouragement and pull it like that, see? And then I like firing these like yellow rods, so you just put them in there like that. And you can also put those onto the yellow rods, making like bolts. So it's pretty accurate. Right, there we go. It doesn't come out first time. powerful than that if we use tighter elastic bands, but that's like all I've got so far.